Hello, we are the SpaceX fans and welcome to the SpaceX Show, the place where you can stay up to date with everything SpaceX. The Hokuto R mission was scheduled for yesterday, but SpaceX posted a tweet today. They said teams completed additional vehicle inspections and reviews. Rocket and payload are looking good for launch of the iSpace Inc. Hokuto R Mission 1 targeted for no earlier than Sunday, December 11th at 2:38 AM Eastern Time. We can hopefully expect another launch this week with a bunch of OneWeb satellites. The OneWeb 15 launch is scheduled for tomorrow, Thursday 8th at 10:27 PM UTC or 5:27 PM EST. Heading to Boca Chica, work continues on the now empty orbital launch mount. The berm's height is being increased. Starship Gazer posted a bunch of pictures with work going on at the Orbital Launch Pad. It says lots of work on and underneath the orbital launch mount today. Plumbing work shielding and tearing up concrete. Yusaku Maezawa posted an interesting tweet. He said, "Online meeting with Elon Musk is done. I can make a major announcement about space around the noon of December 8th PST. It's another new announcement on the anniversary of exactly 1 year since the day I went to the ISS last year." Work continues on the new test article. Scaffolding is now being removed from around Starship 24. Work on the Ship 25 prototype continues in the high bay. As we saw last video, Booster 7 was lifted off of the orbital launch mount and then later moved to the production site. It was also moved into the mega bay. As always, I have to say thanks to Nick Antzuini for being out there filming the Starbase content. Also thanks to the NASA spaceflight team working behind the scenes on their videos, live streams and other space content. That's it for this episode of the SpaceX Show. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. If you want to stay updated with SpaceX info, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified when I upload. Thanks for watching and have a great day.